Hi guys, this is Priya from Amani Exchange Select City Walk. So we got the fun learning activity, and in that activity we have to watch a movie. That was The Martins, and honestly, before starting up about the movie, I want to say one thing. Uh, I like I'm not a movie person at all, and I'm someone who just hates movie. And now, like by this activity, I'm started loving it. All the facts, and now when I see the movie, I see with the different perspective. And like before, I used to watch the movie, it was like only for the entertainment and fun. Now it's with a different perspective, and like the inspirations and the motivations and the learning things that I get from watching these movie, and how the hard work they have done to achieve that their goal. So it's amazing and loving the fact. Now I start up with the movie. I'll just give you a bit small brief about what is movie all about. So NASA is on mission, and they plan to they are on mission, and they send their six crew over there in Mars. And their plan is to stay there for 1 month. And it was a 17 day. And suddenly they got the news that the storm gonna come, and it's better that they should take off. So they were doing it, and the storm gets so stormy. And one of their crew, the Mark Watney, which the and he's the one the whole story revolves around. And suddenly a big stone comes, and it just uh, flung uh, flung him away. And he lost his all contacts between their members, and he was not even responding. And they presume that he dead, he's dead. And the Commando Luis, she wanted to search him, but like due to the storm, and she don't want to put others' life in danger. So she thought it's better to leave. And because they know that nobody can survive without a spacesuit of a minute in Mars. So it's better to take off the ship. And yeah, so the whole story. But however, Mark Watney is not dead, and he was alive. And yeah, so the story is about this. And how Mark Watney is gonna survive over there with the limited food. And how he gonna connect with the NASA, and is he able to come back home or not. So, and his hope for coming back to home will be successful or not. So this is movie is all about. And now I'm gonna tell you what inspires me the most. So the first thing, like there are two or three things that inspires me the most. And the first thing is, he did not when he got the contact with the NASA, he did not blame his team at all. And knowing the fact they should have checked him once, but they didn't. So he didn't blame them. So that's show the understanding that whatever the commando has taken the decision, it must be right, because because she don't want to put anybody's life in danger for a one person. So he was not so he didn't put any blame to his commando. So that's the best. That shows the respect. And uh, how like it shows the respect. And how they have a bond. So yeah, so that's the first thing. And the second thing that I really like the most, and that's like I guess everyone will be agree that the patience and hope that he has to live for a 400 days, because he know that space is gonna come back, but it will take at least for 400 days over there. And uh, he he planned as such. He counted his food, the with the limited food, how can he still survive for the 400 days. And he started growing potatoes in their habitat. Like, it was a herb that they were living in, and he started growing potatoes over in that herb. And after that, he 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 connected with the NASA also. And and The one thing like which inspires me the most, like knowing the fact we are in this lockdown, and still people, like there are many people who can't take this thing, and they're just going out and doing their work. Like still we have a like we have to stay home, but still we are going out. And what knowing the fact we have so much of a resource here, we have a entertainment here, like things here at our home, and still we are going out, because we can't take this take this for a long time. And people are finding very difficult to stay at home. And you're staying with your family, the best part is this, but still like you can see the level of patience, and like level of patience that Mark Watney has. And he like in a different planet, and you are the only person uh, with limited resource, and not 0% of entertainment. And you are living it for like more than 500 days, and it's amazing. And so yeah, so I really like the I really like his dedication and his hope. So when you say if there's a hope, there's a way. And knowing the fact his uh, his hub was blast all his hub got blast, and his all potatoes were destroyed. And still it didn't lose the hope for like to go his home. And that's the best part. Like there was so much of hurdles, and still he cleared all of them. And he didn't lose any hope. And so yeah, so that's the thing that I really liked about him, uh, the hope, and patience, the kind of a patience that he has. Like everyone needs it. And yeah. And the third thing I really liked about the about his team, they were so coordinated. They know that they have made a mistake, and NASA told them it's your choice that you want to go back there or not. And they, without even a like give it a think for once, they just said, okay, we want to go back and take their crew member with them. And like knowing the fact it will take more 500 days for them to come back their home. And so yeah, so that's how like it shows their coordinations and their unity towards each other. And Yeah, so I really like this thing about the yeah so I really like this thing about the team. Like it shows everything, it's the ideal team, I would say. And yeah, so that's my view about this movie. So yeah, thank you.